Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to adjust text boxes top and bottom alignment using Foxit PDF Editor. Open your PDF file and click on the selection tool and click on this drop down arrow and select annotation option. Now drag your mouse cursor, select your comment boxes you want to adjust alignment, and this right sidebar. Here you will find this top alignment and this is bottom alignment. Also I'll select these two of these text boxes and click and select right button and select align option, and this is bottom alignment and this is top alignment. In this way you can adjust your text boxes top and bottom alignment. And finally select this file option, save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.